You see how unhappy it is? It's bugging us. It talks to us. Yeah, it's unhappy with our presence being here. I checked the area, like there is no... yeah, there I am. Yeah, look at this. Isn't it fantastic? Yeah. What do you want? Oh my god, look at this. It's so aggressive. Okay. I don't know. Keep talking, buddy. Okay? You have to learn how to share, okay? Sorry. We are not going away. It's our backyard. It's our property. We own it, okay? You understand? We own it. And you came here. You're invasion. You're doing invasion here, okay? Invader. Oh my god. Look at this. This guy is something. Look at this. It keeps going on and on and on and on. Okay. We love you anyway. Okay? We have to learn to share this, okay? Sorry, bud. Okay?